Everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you about the specific gravity and water absorption test on coarse aggregates. So let's begin. Speaking of specific gravity, it gives us the understanding of the quality of the material, so it is very important. In case of coarse aggregates, the first step of the procedure is first we take the aggregates, we pass them through the 10 mm sieve. Whatever amount of aggregate which is retained on the 10 mm sieve, we take that aggregate and we pour it into a cylindrical cylinder. In that cylindrical cylinder, then we pour distilled water in such a way that the aggregates are fully submerged and the cylindrical cylinder is partially filled. Now after 24 hours, we keep this for 24 hours to make sure that full absorption takes place and the aggregates are fully saturated. After 24 hours, we fill the cylindrical cylinder to the top level, and after that we weigh that assembly and we note down that weight. After that we drain out the water, we make sure that the aggregates are taken out, and to make them surface dry, they are fully saturated now. To make sure that they are surface dry, we basically use the cotton cloth and remove the surface water from their surface. After that, we now need to know the weight of the water when it is fully filled. So now we take the empty container and we fill it with fully fill it with distilled water. Now we weigh that particular assembly. We note down that weight. Now we need to know the saturated surface dry weight of the aggregate also. So we take that surface dry saturated aggregates and we weigh that also. And after this is done, now we need to know the fully dried weight of the aggregate. So now we take the aggregates, then we dry it in the oven. Now we have 4 different kinds of weights. Now after this is done, now we use the formula of specific gravity to calculate the specific gravity. Specific gravity is equals to the dry weight of the aggregate, which is to be obtained from the oven, upon the saturated surface dry weight of the aggregates, minus the weight of the whole assembly including the aggregates, water and the vessel, minus under the brackets, minus the weight of the vessel plus weight of the water. Now this whole equation or this whole expression gives us the value of the specific gravity. Usually the specific gravity comes around 2.6 or 2.4. So this is how the specific gravity is taken out.